basically, like me having the pony for quite a while, and I'd done all this with her, and she tried to make out that she'd done something with her, and she hadn't. She'd only started doing what I'd already done.
I'm filming. You saw what I did with her. You saw I thought I brought her on, and
you did
you
nothing with it. I'd already done that.
Well,
I'd have to vet somebody properly vet them before I have anything. But I don't intend to try and find a home for any old male horses. You know what I mean? I've got 3. And I love them dearly.
You weren't there every day, because Sonia and that other girl did your poo picking for you.
No.
No, you weren't there every day. Once a week you were there. Once a week you were there.
I did my poo picking, though, not like you didn't do.
I don't think so. Go and get another picture and show them the pile at the top of the field.
That little pile this big.
No.
Go in my field and see how big mine is.
So. Never about the money, it was all about principle.
Basically, that she bought the horse, she didn't buy the horse.
I never said about it.
You did.
No, I didn't. They said that. They said that, not me.
You should have corrected him then, shouldn't you?
I did.
No, you didn't.
Oh, yeah, I did.
No.
Yeah, I did.
And as for looking after her, no, you
What
didn't.
What a load. Get me out, because I'm gonna lamp her.
There you go.
You're not amused, sir?
No, go ahead, yeah. Carry on, crack on, mate.
Jason.
What?
It's a judge.
Oh, all right, man.
Got any evidence in respect of that cheque? Have you got it? Do you remember receiving that cheque?
It's donkeys years ago.
How long?
Donkeys.
Well, how long did... That doesn't help in law. I don't know how long a donkey lives. I knew I'd amuse you in the end. That's the award of this court.
Right, thank you, Judge.
Best of luck.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you, sir.
Sorry, mate.
Well, how do you respond to that, Carol? She says it had absolutely no artistic integrity whatsoever.
I would like to challenge her this afternoon, Your Honour.
Well, what are you going to do? Put mud on and wrestle?
No, sir. It's my play. She had stolen my work, and they have colluded against me.
I feel relieved that the reality and the facts are actually out there.
She's the one that stole my play. It's not fair. She know what she had done. They conclude together to put this wicked lie and come against me.
The whole imaginary, you know, accusations have been exposed for everybody to see. Just draw a line under it.
I'm not drawing a line. You stole my play.
Just leave us alone.
And you caused me great distress.
Leave us alone now.
I've learned whatever I do it professionally. Let people sign and keep that signed piece of document to prove.
So you thought there was something that was not quite right. What happened? Why did you move out? What was the straw that broke the camel's back?
The straw was, I was in the kitchen one time and he walked in and there was some stuff on the slab. And of course, he saw it was me and he made a comment. It was like, dumb dyke.
Excuse me?
Yeah, like dumb dyke. So
Just pause for a second.
Okay.
Now, just to be clear, was that a reference to the fact that you are gay?
It is very.
Have you brought female partners back to the house, and was Felix aware of your sexuality?
Female partners, severally, yes. But my sexuality, he wasn't aware back then.
When did he become aware as far as you're concerned about that? How long before this argument?
About November, December.
When did you become aware that Kafaya was a gay woman?
It was the end of January.
When did you eventually leave the house, please?
August.
Was the fact that Kafaya was a gay woman, did that in any way colour your judgment and your feeling towards her in your home?
Yes. I wasn't comfortable with the whole idea, and I didn't think it was right.
Put your hand down. At that stage, did you communicate that to her in any way?
No, I didn't. Not directly, though, but just...
Did you stop going to visit her in her room after that?
I mean, I still visit her sparingly, but I just was still thinking that maybe it's all a dream, or it's not really happening, or she isn't, you know.
What do you mean she isn't? You thought that it was just a phase of some sort?
I can't get it, to be honest, because I don't understand that process. I don't understand why she would be. I mean, there are so many guys around, and why can't she be with a man? Because there are men like me out there, and just feel like she should be able to find someone.
Oh, Felix. As far as you're concerned, did you leave the room in a decent state?
I did.
Now, I'm going to come now, whilst we're dealing with this matter, to your counterclaim. Yeah. You say you needed to pay £399 for a new bed.
Yes.
£500 for decoration.
Yes.
Why are you entitled to £399 for a new bed?
Well, because when I found out that she's what she is, I wanted to change the bed. I wanted to actually change the bed in the room, so that I don't know what's been happening on the bed, so just wanted to change it for
I see.
Yeah.
Right. So you felt somehow, because of your attitude, you wanted to get rid of the bed.
Yes.
This is your costume, isn't it?
This is what I wear every day because I identify as being a modern-day pirate. It's a lifestyle choice.
It is a lifestyle choice.
Uh-huh.
I understand. So there's various ways in which people express themselves.
It's like being a goth or an emo. It's, you know, it's a style
A goth or an
choice.
emu?
An emo.
Oh, an emo?
It's the Irish accent.
Yeah, no, it's all right. It's the same sort of thing.
It's a style, and it's, you know, it's a way of living, you know, being free, being independent, following your dreams.
I understand. Is there a group? I mean, I've heard of emos, you've described them. They have a certain collective noun, you know, like there's a gaggle of geese, a group of emos, I suppose. What would be the collective noun for a pirate? Would that be, I don't know, a malice of pirates?
There is a worldwide pirate community. So,
a pirate community?
Yes.
Are they campaigning for pirate rights?
No, we're just about a group of about 15,000 people worldwide. A lot are based in America, and we basically have certain principles that we live by and
Splendid,
certain
but do you all dress up in the same way and that sort of
thing?
Is
variations, but similar.
Is there a code?
No, pretty much.
You're not lobbying government for acknowledgement or anything of that sort? The right to booty, the right to have a parrot provided by the government, or anything of that? No? I'm just wondering. You've got a lucky card. Do you have lucky socks or lucky pants or...?
This.
What's that?
A comb. What bit of hair I've got? I comb my hair with that every morning. I've had it years. I found it actually on the roadside.
What, how long? Wait a sec.
Judge,
how long have you had it for?
A long, long time.
Roughly?
30 years.
30 years?
Yeah, that's why there's teeth missing in it. You see that there? And my hair's gone less. It doesn't need to do as much work, does it?
Yes.
See what I mean?
I'm lucky I've got hair.
I lost, Judge, I lost it.
And what happened to you?
In this car, I lost it. I dropped it and I couldn't find it. I didn't think it was in the car. I thought
What happened?
I went to a hospital and I thought I'd dropped it on the floor.
Well, here's the problem,
no,
you see.
So I'd lost this, Judge.
Right.
And I went to... The wife says, we'll go to Anglesey. So I went to Anglesey and actually I dropped £1 and it went down the side and I was scratching for this £1. I said, oh, look, and it was right again Menai Bridge. I says, I found my comb. It's here. There's no other comb. You might think I've gone crazy, but...
Do you think that I think you're crazy, that you may have a lucky brush? Why are you laughing,
As I say, Judge, the teeth have gone less and my hair's gone less, so it doesn't do too much work.
Apparently, Michelle, you've been given something from my chambers, from one of our clerks.
Oh.
Now, John, some people may think it's terribly strange, odd, and even a little bit eccentric to keep a brush that you consider to be lucky. I don't find that at all. I think it's both reasonable, sensible, and perfectly judicious. Do you know why, John?
No, Judge.
Because I've got one as well.
Good one.
Held together with tape, had it 10 years.
Yeah.
I'd be lost without my lucky brush. Now, on the left-hand side, what's that? That's the rings and the... Yeah, well, I'm going to say this to you, Carrie. I don't think that's a great photograph on the left-hand side. What about the shoes on the right-hand side? Why have you put her wedding shoes on a tea towel?
That's the bed cover.
Oh, that's a bed cover. Oh, do forgive me. I do apologise. I'm going to get into terrible trouble with Michelle afterwards for that. I'm sorry, Michelle. Are they the wedding shoes?
They're the wedding shoes, yes.
And you had your... do you have your initials on the bottom of them, or yours and your husband's?
I had, I do, on the bottom of them.
Oh, I see. What... Is that just in case...
Diamantis stick-ons.
I see. You weren't going to do some sort of can-can in case your husband forgot the words. There he was. He says, now, there's the celebrant at the registry office, and he say, do you agree, etc., to love and to hold and all the rest of it? Do you accept Wendy as your wife? And he stands there going... And you go... Just wondering.